Thinking about building your dream home in Castlewood Fields in Washington County? You've got options, ranch or townhome. And today I'm walking you through both and why using your own real estate agent is one of the smartest decisions you can make when building new construction. If this is your first time to the channel, I'm Krista Lorenzo and I help people just like you make their move in Pittsburgh every day, and I absolutely love it. On this channel, we cover what it's like to live, work, and play in Pittsburgh. So if you're thinking about relocating, building, or just exploring different neighborhoods, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell for notifications so you can be the first to find out what's happening here in Pittsburgh. Castlewood Fields is a beautiful new construction community by Ryan Homes, tucked away in Nottingham Township in Washington County, just minutes from Route 19, Waterdam Plaza, and Donaldson's Crossroads. It's a low-maintenance neighborhood with some seriously great lifestyle perks. No yard work, snow removal included, and top-notch community amenities. You've got two distinct styles of home to choose from: ranch-style single-family homes starting in the low 400s and townhomes with main-level owner suites starting in the low 300s. Let's start with those townhomes. I recently walked through this model with one of my clients and it was gorgeous. The Caroline model features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet, and a 2-car garage. It includes an open-concept kitchen with a center island, main-level owner suite with a walk-in closet, and dual vanity bath, and optional finished basement space, and the basement is huge. My client's design space was 2,600 square feet. The Rosecliff model offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, over 1,700 square feet, features 9-foot ceilings, a gourmet kitchen, an upstairs loft, and a luxurious owner suite with double walk-in closets. Now let's talk ranch-style homes. These are perfect for one-level living and keeping life simple. There are multiple ranch styles to choose from. Each of the ranch models includes open-concept living, modern kitchens, spacious owner suites, and main-level laundry. I help my clients select not just the right floor plan, but the best lot and options to fit their lifestyle and future resale value. Living in Castlewood Fields also comes with amazing amenities. There's a community clubhouse and pool, a fitness center, outdoor recreation spaces like shuffleboard and a fire pit, and sidewalks throughout. Best of all, lawn care and snow removal are included. The community and the builder host neighborhood events. So if you're more of a social person and you would love the opportunity to connect and meet your neighbors, you'd have lots of opportunities here. And speaking of neighbors, it is a super dog-friendly community with many furry friends out and about. When you walk into a builder's model home, the sales rep is there to help, but ultimately they represent the builder. So while they are friendly, knowledgeable, and great to work with, it's kind of like walking into a resale home and negotiating directly with the seller. That's why it's so important to have your own agent, someone who is solely focused on your best interests. When you bring me along, I help you understand which upgrades are worth it, review your contract with you, and guide you through the inspections and timelines. We want to make sure you're getting the most value for your money now and down the road when you go to resell your property. And typically my services are paid for by the builder, not by you. They have the commission already built into their pricing, whether you choose to have someone help you or not. So ranch or townhome? No answer is wrong. Castlewood Fields is full of opportunity. And if you're thinking about building, I'd love to help you pick the right lot, model, and finishes. If you're exploring life in Pittsburgh and want help figuring out where to live, what schools and neighborhoods match your lifestyle, or just want to stay updated on the housing market, make sure to subscribe below. New videos go live weekly with real advice, neighborhood tours, and buyer and seller tips. And like I said before, whether you're moving in 1 week or 1 year, I'm here to help you make a smooth move in Pittsburgh. Until next time, I hope to show you around town.